Next, we'll do one more sum in the exercise 3.4, that is finding inverse of the matrix A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now you know how to find the inverse. We have 4 steps. We'll do once more. What is the step 1? Step 1 is write A equal to I into A. So A equal to I into A. So the matrix A is 2, 3, 5, 7. A 2, 3, 5, 7 equal to I. I is the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Next, what to do? Next, we have to make these two equal. We have to make these two equal. Now look here. In the previous one element was 1. So we could make easily into another one. Now here we have 2 into 5. How to make them equal? How to make them equal? Here we cannot divide or multiply to any number to make them equal. Only what we can do is we can take LCM and multiply. We can take LCM and multiply. This is a bit different sum. This is a bit different sum. So take note. To make it equal, listen here properly. To make it equal, we'll multiply 2 with the 5 and 5 with the 2. So that time what we'll get? We'll multiply R1 with 5, R2 with the 2. That time what we'll get? Now multiply R1 with 5. Multiplying R1 into 5, what we are getting? 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, and 5 into 0 is 0. Next we are multiplying the second row by what? 2. 2 into. So 2 into 5 what? 2 into 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 2 into 0 is 0 and 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the matrix that we get after multiplying. So to make it equal here, it's a special case. To make it equal, we are multiplying by a opposite number so that both become equal. Almost like LCM method. Next, what we are doing? We made this equal. Now what we have to do? We have to make this 0. How to make this 0? R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Simple. After making it equal, to make it 0, R2 minus R1. So R2 minus R1. Here, remember R1 remains as it is. So write R1 as it is. 10, 15, 5, 0. So R2 minus R1. 10 minus 10, 0. 14 minus 15. 14 minus 15 is minus 1. Next, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now what is the next step? Next step is we have to make these two equal. How to make these two equal? To make these two equal, now this is 15. I have to make this also as 15. So what to do? I will multiply this by minus 15. Minus 15 into 1 is nothing but 15. So multiply R2 by minus 15. Minus 15 into R2. So multiply. Remember, first row remains as it is. So write the first row. 10, 15, 5, 0. Next, second row we are multiplying by minus 15. Minus 15 into 0 is 0. Minus 15 into minus 1 is 15. Minus 15 into minus 5. Minus minus plus 15 5s are 75. Next, minus 15 into 2 minus 30. Now these two are equal. What is the next step? We have to make this 0. To make this 0, what we have to do? R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. Simple. After making it equal, you subtract. So here R1 only changes, R2 does not change. So write R2 as it is. 0, 15, 75 minus 30. Next, R1 minus R2 means 10 minus 0 is 10. 15 minus 15 is 0. 5 minus 75. 5 minus 75. 5 minus 75 is minus 70. Next, 0 minus of minus 30. 0 minus of minus 30 is 30. Next we have to make this as 1, this as 1. We have to make this as 1, this as 1. How to make this one? We divide by 10. So R1 we divide by 10, R2 we divide by 15. So R1 divided by 10, R2 divided by 15. So R1 divided by 10, R2 divided by 15. So now divide, R1 we are dividing by 10, so 10 by 10, 1, 0 by 10, 0, minus 70 by 10, minus 7, 30 by 10, 3. Next row we are dividing by 15, next row we are dividing by 15, so 0 by 15, 0, 15 by 15, 1, 75 by 15, 5, minus 30 by 15, minus. So the matrix formed on the right side, minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2, it is nothing but the inverse. So A inverse equal to, so therefore A inverse is the matrix found on the right side, so that is minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2. So this is the inverse. I hope you are thorough or clear with this finding the inverse. Okay. Next we move on to the next question. The third question. Find the inverse of the matrix A equal to 1, 3, 2, 7. Now how to find the inverse? We are doing the steps. We will do the steps like that. Continuously we will do the steps. So step 1. Write the matrix A equal to I into A. So write the matrix A 1, 3, 2, 7 equal to I into A. Next what we will do? We have to make these two equal. We have to make these two equal. Now 2 is there, 1 is there. We have to make this 2. How to make this 2? Multiply the row 1 by 2. Multiplying the row 1 by 2. So when you multiply the row 1 with the 2, what you get? Multiply row 1 with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 0s are. Next what to do? We have to make this 0. How to make this 0? R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Same formula, same steps for all. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. So 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Here only row 2 changes. Row 1 remains as it is. So write 2, 6, 2, 0 as it is. Next what we have to do? We have to make these two equal. So how to make these two equal? We have to make this 6. So multiply the row 2 with the 6. So R2 changes to 6. We are multiplying 6 to the row 2. So 6 into row 2. 6 into row 2 what you get? 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. 6 into 1 is 6. Here row 2 we are changing. Row 1 remains as it is. So write it as it is. Next R1. Now we have to make this 0. How to make this 0? R1 minus R2. 6 minus 6 will be 0. So R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. So only row 1 is changing. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. 2 minus of minus 12. 2 minus of minus 12. What is 2 minus of minus 12? 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 12, 14. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Here row 1 only changes, row 2 remains as it is. So we write 0, 6, minus 12. So we have made these two 0. Last step is we have to make this one, How to make this 2 as 1? Divide by 2 here, divide by 6. So R1 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 6. So when you divide this by 2, what you get? 2 by 2 is 1, 2 by 0 is 0 by 2 is 0, 14 by 2 is 7, minus 6 by 2 minus 3. Next here divide by 6, 0 by 6 is 0, 6 by 6 is 1, minus 12 by 6 minus 2, 6 by 6 is 1. So this is nothing but the inverse. This is nothing but the inverse. So therefore A inverse equal to 7 minus 3 minus 2 1. So this is nothing but the inverse. So I hope you can do by yourself. Practice once or twice. By second or third time you will be able to do same procedure, same steps for all. Okay then, thank you.